Welcome back to Auto Nova. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive showroom walk-around of the brand new 2026 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. From every exterior angle to the interior and even under the hood, we'll cover it all in detail. Let's dive in. Front view. The first thing that grabs your attention is the iconic Jeep front grille. 7 slots, rugged and bold, sitting perfectly between a set of aggressive LED headlights. The 2026 model refines the Gladiator's presence with sharper lines, a more aerodynamic front bumper, and a stronger, more durable skid plate for off-road protection. This truck is designed to look powerful even when it's standing still. Notice how the hood has been sculpted to add character while keeping airflow smooth. The Rubicon badging on the hood tells you immediately this is the top-tier off-road warrior in Jeep's lineup. Left side profile. Moving to the left side, you see just how versatile the Gladiator is. The long wheelbase makes it stand out compared to other midsize pickups, and those high-clearance fender flares remind you that this isn't just a city truck, it's built for trails, mud, and rocks. The 2026 Rubicon now comes with redesigned 17-inch alloy wheels paired with massive off-road tires. The side steps are rugged but functional, making it easier to climb into the lifted cabin. And of course, Jeep has kept its signature removable doors, giving you that open-air driving experience that no other truck really matches. Right side. On the right side, the Gladiator continues to impress. The proportions are balanced, the stance is wide, and the styling is unmistakably Jeep. You'll also notice the trail-rated badge, which guarantees that the Rubicon has been tested in some of the toughest conditions imaginable. The body lines are clean but muscular, blending rugged utility with modern refinement. Whether you're pulling up to a downtown spot or heading into the mountains, the Gladiator looks equally at home. Engine view. Now let's pop the hood. Underneath, the 2026 Gladiator Rubicon offers 2 powerhouse options, a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 and a 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6. Both engines are tuned for a mix of strength and efficiency, giving you plenty of torque for off-road climbing while still being smooth on the highway. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, this truck is built to handle heavy towing, tough trails, and long road trips. And of course, Jeep's legendary 4x4 system makes sure you stay in control, no matter the terrain. Interior view. Inside, the Rubicon combines ruggedness with comfort. Sitting in the driver's seat, you're greeted with a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a digital gauge cluster, and an upgraded 12.3-inch infotainment display. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Jeep's Uconnect system all come standard. From the passenger side, you'll notice premium touches, red contrast stitching, rubberized grab handles, and high-quality materials that balance durability with modern design. The rear seats are surprisingly spacious for a pickup of this size, and Jeep has added clever storage compartments underneath. And don't forget the open-air experience, removable roof panels, fold-down windshield, and detachable doors. No other truck lets you feel this connected to the outdoors. Rear view. Moving to the rear, the Gladiator Rubicon features a strong steel tailgate with easy open and close functionality. The bed is versatile, with plenty of tie-downs and an available spray-in liner for durability. Jeep even added a built-in power outlet, making it perfect for camping trips or worksite tools. The taillights are sharp LED units, giving it a modern finish while keeping the rugged personality intact. Top view. From the top view, you really get a sense of the Gladiator's uniqueness. The flat roofline contrasts with the bold squared-off body, and with the roof panels removed, it transforms into an open-air pickup like no other. It's one of Jeep's signature design advantages, giving owners both freedom and functionality. Outro view. So there you have it, a full showroom walk-around of the 2026 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. From its aggressive front end to the versatile rear, from its powerful engine to its adventurous interior, this truck is truly built for those who demand more than just transportation, it's built for adventure. If you enjoyed this full-angle showcase, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Auto Nova, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and walkarounds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video only on Auto Nova. Sport utility vehicle dashing away.